Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Subaru Forester. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a new oil filter. Also, make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, along with a fresh drain plug gasket. Slightly warm up the engine, then safely lift and support your vehicle on a level surface. Now that your vehicle is safely elevated, locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the engine. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using the correct size wrench, which is often a 17mm or 14mm, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Let the old oil flow out completely into the pan. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes to ensure a thorough drain. Once the old oil has drained, it's time to replace the oil filter. The oil filter is usually found on the passenger side of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, followed by an additional 1/4 turn. With the new filter in place, reinstall the drain plug with a fresh gasket and tighten it to 31 foot-pounds. Now, pour the specified amount and type of new engine oil into the oil fill port. Start the engine and let it run for about 20 seconds to circulate the new oil, then shut it off. Finally, check the oil level using the dipstick and add more oil if needed to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.